So now moving on to Facility Management Firm of the Year, and I'd like to call up Andreas Morton from Aventim International.
And we have 3 nominees on the list: Upleona HSG, Innovative Facility Management, and SPIE Polska.
Andreas, welcome. Thank you for helping us hand out this award. These lovely ladies will give you the envelope to read.
And the winner of the Facility Management Firm of the Year award, SPIE Poland.
Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words.
Thank you very much. It's very unexpected, but big honor for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Just come over here and we'll do a photo, all 3 of us. Yeah, we just want to be out of the way of the microphone, or the microphone there, yeah?